so today. Are you serious? Okay guys, so today we're going to make a gluten-free rosemary naan flatbread. This video is going to be a little different to how I usually make my videos. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to put 2 cups of gluten-free flour into our stand mixer. And now I'm going to add the rosemary that I picked from my garden. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I'm going to get the salt here now to add. So we're going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. I just used the cup of my hand to measure out the salt. And now we're going to combine all of these ingredients together. So I just put on the paddle and we're going to mix everything together to get everything nicely incorporated. So it's just mixing away. And now I'm slowly going to add the water. It's hard to say exactly how much water because it all depends. So just slowly add water until you see everything moist enough and it's coming together and it can hold into a ball. So there, everything is more or less has come together. So that's why I tested it. I held it in my hand and felt to see if it will be able to hold, and it can. So now what I will do here is just form it into smaller balls. So you just pinch out and form into smaller balls. There you have it, folks. Our rosemary naan is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. And most importantly, guys, please don't forget to share this video. Let's see how many views we can get on it. I'll be most grateful. See you in my next video. Bye for now.